This is a DHT temperature and humidity sensor connected to the XIAO ESP32-C3. It continuously measures a real-time temperature and humidity and sends the data directly to a web dashboard or Wi-Fi. Now on the laptop screen, you can see the live web dashboard. Here the temperature and humidity values are updating in real time, along with current date and time. Using this toggle button, I can control the LED connected to the ESP32-C3. When I toggle the button, the LED status instantly updates on the dashboard. And the best part, the same dashboard works on mobile as well. I can control the LED from my phone and the status updates immediately, showing real-time synchronization across devices. So let's get started. For this project, you will need the following components: ESP32-C3 development board, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, LED module, breadboard, and jumper wires. Connect the VCC pin of the DHT11 sensor with 3.3 volt of the ESP32-C3. Connect the ground pin of the DHT11 sensor with ground pin of the ESP32-C3. Connect the signal pin to GPIO pin 10 of the ESP32-C3. Connect the R pin of the LED module with GPIO pin 8 of the ESP32-C3 and ground pin to the ground pin. Upload the code to the ESP32-C3. First, I power on the XIAO ESP32-C3. Now I open the serial monitor and copy the IP address assigned to the board. I paste this IP address into the web browser and the web dashboard opens. On the dashboard, you can see the live temperature and humidity values, along with current date and time. Using the web server, I turn the LED on. You can see the LED status updating instantly on the dashboard. Now I press the button again. The LED turns off and the status is updated in real time. Next, I apply some heat to the DHT sensor using a soldering iron. You can clearly see the temperature value increases live on the dashboard. Next, I enter the same IP address in the mobile browser. The web dashboard opens on the mobile device as well. This shows that the dashboard is fully responsive and work on any screen size. Now I control the LED directly from the mobile dashboard. You can see the LED turning on and off, and the status updating instantly. So this is how you can monitor temperature and humidity and control an LED using a web server on the XIAO ESP32-C3. The dashboard works on both laptop and mobile with real-time updates. If you found this project useful, like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel for more ESP32 and IoT projects. Thanks for watching.